Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 2LZ in Corvette Yellow Racing Tintcoat on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We've got the target top removed and placed in the trunk here, as you can see. The top is a transparent or glass roof. So I'll just pull this up here, let you have a look underneath. So underneath it has a blue almost appearance to it from the inside, and then as you can see it's nice and dark and black looking from the outside. So that's great. We've got the privacy screen, so there's a bottom piece and an upper piece here. I'm just going to pull this up one more time. We'll just check in the compartment and see if there's any goodies. We've got the net down here, and down below we do have the Corvette charger in the box. We've got the wheel lock key, and we've got the fuel filler tube there as well. So that's great. So we'll close this back up, lock it in place. We'll close the trunk. So it's got soft close, so I just need to press it, will pull itself shut. We've got the carbon flash metallic spoiler here with the stage 2 wings, stage 3 wings. So it's got the 2 outer pieces as well as the center piece there. So I'll just step back. We've got the clear Z06 LED taillights. We've got the black badge package. We've got the quad tip NPP performance exhaust. So on the outer ports, there's dampers that open and close electronically based on the settings to make the exhaust louder or quieter. So we'll just shift around this side. Here's your rear wheel. So we've got the nice black wheels with the outer silver ring on them. We've got red painted calipers, painted rotors, and nice Michelin tires on there. So it looks great. Up top, we've got the carbon flash metallic vent, and as well as down here. And then we've got the carbon flash metallic side skirts as well. So here's the door panel. We've got the nice deviated stitching that runs along. You've got the electronic door release, power windows, power locks, and the 10-speaker Bose stereo. Have a look at the Corvette kick plate here. The sill looks great. It's in great shape. For your passenger seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. So as I get in, just have a peek in the door frame, nice and tidy. And let's have a look in the glove box. So no books come with this one. We've got the heated and cooled seats here. We've got the temperature control for the passenger. We've got nice deviated stitching that runs along the dash on the lower as well as on the upper there. Looks great. So I'll just hop out and we'll close this side up. And I'll just start from the back and we'll scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks awesome. So at the front here, you've got your Z06 Supercharged badge with the nice carbon flash metallic insert there. And then here's your front wheel. So we've got the nice black wheels, red painted calipers, painted rotors, and nice Michelin tires on there. So under the hood, we've got the LT4 engine, which is a V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque. Supercharged, and that is paired to a 7-speed manual transmission. Also with the Z06, you do get the magnetic ride control, so that's the wire for it there. Over here we've got the dry sump oil system, and then you also get the upgraded transmission cooler and rear diff cooler and the heavy duty brakes on the Z06. Up top we've got the Z06 hood liner there, looks great. And I'll go ahead and just close the hood and we'll have a look from the front. We do have 2 keys that come with the car, and we've got the exposed carbon fiber insert here on the hood, paired with the carbon flash metallic insert on the grille. So we'll just come around the front. We've got the lower front splitter with the side pieces, looks great, and that is painted in the carbon flash metallic as well. The front bumper and front half of the hood and fenders is covered in 3M, so it's well protected. We'll just have a close look here. I'll see if there's anything to point out. It is a pretty clean car, so I don't see anything there. Not to say there isn't anything, but nothing that I see. So that's great. So down below we do have the curb view camera, so there's one camera there and another camera here on this side. For your lights, you've got the projector lights that are HID Xenon bulbs, and then we've got the LED daytime running lights and LED turn signals. Here's your other front wheel, so it's in great shape as you can see. Nice black painted wheels, painted rotors, painted calipers, and nice Michelin tires. And same thing back here. Great. So over at the driver's side, We've got our power windows, the 10-speaker Bose stereo. We've got power locks. We've got the memory seats, so 2-user memory with an exit button, and we've got the electronic door release, and again, that nice deviated stitching that runs along. Here's your kick plate on the driver's side, so it's in really good shape. A little minor mark there, but it's okay. And for the seats, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, power lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. Let's get in and fire this one up. There it is. So in terms of kilometers, we have 18,889. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. Everything looks great there. We do have the carbon fiber dash here, as you can see. Down below, we've got our heads-up display controls, our power mirror controls. We've got trunk release and alarm on and off, so it's a motion sensor. And then over here, we've got power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. We've got our cruise control buttons here. We've got favorite or track change on this side. Over here, we've got volume controls. Then we've got the arrow keys. The arrow keys work the dash, so we've got info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and settings. So those are all controlled there. We've got Bluetooth and voice command controls here. Rev Match, so this is on and this side is off, and what that will do is when you're downshifting, it will rev up the engine to match the speed of the transmission, so you don't have to do that. So it's very cool. And I'll just show you, I don't know if you can see that, but on the screen there's your heads-up display on the windscreen. Looks great. Wiper control on this side, press button start here. We've got behind screen storage with USB. Just put that back up. Full factory navigation, phone, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto is the projection, and then audio. So we'll go audio. You've got Bluetooth streaming, AM, FM, XM, auxiliary in, and USB streaming as well. PDR. So there's your performance data recorder. So that's cool. And we'll go over. There's your front curb view cameras, and if I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. And then here's your dual zone climate control. So this is the, I just moved that. This is the driver's temperature control. And then again, we've got the passenger control over on this side. And then you've got heated and cooled seat control for the driver, passenger here, as well as on the other side. And then there's your placard, Z06, 650 horsepower, supercharged. And here's your 7-speed manual shifter with leather wrapped boot with the deviated stitching as well. There's your 12-volt socket, cup holders, electronic parking brake, mode selector. So when we turn that, we get sport. Just keep flicking that there. There's track, weather, eco, touring, or back to sport. So different driving modes, and that will also work the exhaust, or you can override the exhaust to make it on track all the time or quiet all the time, whatever you like. So we've got 2 USB ports, an auxiliary in here, and another 12-volt socket. So that's great. Here's your frameless mirror with OnStar built in, and we'll just hop out with the car running and we'll have a look and listen. Wow, what a beast. So I'll just hop out and show you the car from the front with the headlights on. There it is with the lights, looks sharp, and we'll just scan down this side of the car. What a machine. Great sound to it. Awesome. There you have it, folks. 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 in Corvette Yellow Racing Tintcoat, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.